In the heart of the darkness, silence is more than just peace. It is a lethal weapon. Imagine a predator that moves like a shadow. No warning from the air. No vibration in the wind. Can you hear a killer coming? If it makes no sound at all. Welcome to the world of the silent hunter, the master of the night's shadows, built by nature for absolute stealth. This is the ghost of the meadows. Unseen, unheard, unstoppable. The barn owl. Known to science as Tyto alba, this bird is a living, breathing legend. It has haunted our nightmares for centuries. Folklores call it the banshee bird, because of that pale, ghostly mask. But it is a global survivor, found everywhere. From the frozen barns of Europe to the edge of the Australian outback. It's not magic that makes it a ghost. It's a masterpiece of biological engineering. Every feather, every bone, is optimized for the perfect strike. To truly know this phantom, we must look beneath the feathers. Welcome to the anatomy of silence. How does a bird fly without making a sound? The secret lies in these microscopic edges. Notice these serrated, comb-like structures. Most birds have stiff feathers that slap the air. This creates turbulence, and turbulence makes noise. The owl's feathers break the air into microcurrents. Let's compare the sound profiles. The pigeon is loud, flapping with effort. The owl is a whisper in the wind. The decibel meter barely moves for the owl. This is total acoustic stealth. Even the surface of the wing is specialized. It's covered in a soft, velvet-like down. It absorbs the sound of its own movement. Nature's version of a stealth bomber. We've spent decades trying to copy this. But the owl perfected it millions of years ago. It allows them to hear the prey without the roar of their own wings. A silent approach for a sudden end. Every flap is calculated. Every glide is intentional. The mechanics of a ghost. Sharp turns without a whistle of wind. Light bones for effortless lift. The rudder of the night. Dancing through the darkness. Resting, but never off guard. Searching for the next vibration. Now, look at that iconic face. It's not for show, it's a parabolic dish. It funnels sound directly into the ear canals, enhancing the faintest squeak or rustle. But look at the symmetry or lack of it. Their ears are placed at different heights. Sound hits one ear microseconds before the other. This creates a biological GPS for sound. They can map their world in total blackness. A mouse under the grass is a clear signal. They can tilt the feathers of their face, focusing on a single, tiny frequency. The most advanced ears in the bird world. Their eyes are equally specialized, designed to hunt by the light of the stars. They can't move their eyes in their sockets. That's why they turn their heads so far. Even their mustache feathers help them feel. The lock-on is complete. Target confirmed. Launching in 3. R. E. The drop is instantaneous, falling like a stone, but quiet as a feather. Total focus on the prize, correcting for the wind mid-flight. The weapons are drawn, a streak of light in the gloom. The mouse freezes, but there's nothing to see. Until it's too late. The hunt is reaching its climax. The air brake is engaged, reaching out for the kill. Following the path of the sound, seconds away from impact. There is no escape from a ghost. One final hover to aim. Ready for the strike. A masterclass in precision. Direct hit. The strike is fast and powerful. The grip of no return. 4 sharp daggers, locking in place. The struggle is brief. Nature's law of possession. Checking for competition. Dinner is served. Returning to the shadows. Let's see that again in real time. The speed is breathtaking. A perfect kill every time. Stronger than any human hand. No time wasted. They don't chew, they devour. Cleaning up for the next round. A night's work is never done. 1 down. Many more to go. The guardian is at work. A phantom in his domain. Home is where the shadows are. They love abandoned, quiet places. Meet the growing family. They sound like static on a radio. The provider returns. A relentless demand for food. Growing fast on a high-protein diet. A single nest cleans a farm of pests. Our silent partners in agriculture. A surprisingly tender side of the killer. From fluff to feathers in weeks. Practicing for their first flight. The evidence of their diet. A record of the local ecosystem. Rats, shrews, and voles. A blessing for every barn. Seeing the world for the first time. Ready to take over the night. The leap of faith. Learning the art of silence. A successful nesting season. Protecting his lineage. No one is left behind. The cycle of life continues. Back to the hunt. But a hidden danger is lurking. A silent poison in the food chain. The poison makes them slow. An easy catch with a heavy price. Indirectly killing our best allies. Secondary poisoning is a major threat. We are losing the guardians. Losing their homes to urbanization. Where will the ghost go? A witness to a changing world. Roads become death traps. But people are fighting back. Creating safe havens for them. Returning to where they belong. Our choice determines their future. The night still belongs to the ghost. A sentinel of the natural world. a legacy we must preserve. If you want to see more of these phantoms, subscribe and join our mission. Watch our other stories here. Stay wild. See you in the next one.